Hi, because obviously we're not on at the minute and all of our staff are at home with not much to do because we don't get to see all you guys, we have decided we're going to start recording some things and activities you can do at home. And my first one is obviously cooking because I do a lot of that in the building. So we're going to make some pasta from scratch because that's really hard to find at the minute in shops sometimes. And you can either use plain flour, but because I don't have much, I'm going to use my self-raising flour. And all you need is 3 big spoonfuls in your bowl, and then you can add a little bit of vegetable oil, just 1 level spoonful, chuck it in, and a little bit of water at a time, just stir it in until it starts to look like Play-Doh, I'm told. There we go. And when that is done, scrape it all off the inside of the bowl. Make sure you've washed your hands. And you want to put a bit of flour down. I'm thinking try and make a bit of a square shape. Plenty flour on top, just so it doesn't stick to your rolling pin. And you want to roll it out nice and flat. And because I don't really want to get too tricky with how we're making it in the pasta, put a nice thick bit of flour on top just so it won't stick to itself. You can roll it up. Ooh, not very good at this. This is where I need you guys to help. And I'm going to grab a knife. Get rid of that bit. See if that works. And then you've got a little noodle. You keep going until you've got a few more. And then add that to a pan with boiling water, which I don't quite have. first one, this was the long strands. Can you show us a long strand, please?
No.
So that one's a bit mush. What does it taste like?
I think it's a canny strand. It's also freezing cold.
How was that one? Huh?
No.
No. How's the next one?
Oh no, I've still got the first one.
The next one's quite. That one turned out a lot better.
This one looked better.
It like all stuck together.
That one's good.
Yeah. So that shapes it.
That one works.
That was the off the fork one, wasn't it? And what about the bow ties? They don't really look like bow ties.
You can find a bow tie looking one. That looks a bit like a bow tie. Bow tie.
Oh, success.
I think a little bit longer and you'll tie yourself a winner.
I don't know, I think it's overcooked.
This one's the best one.
That one's the best one.
The chunky one.
That would try. I like that one.
That one's the best.
So is homemade pasta a winner?
Yep.